Tired of Midjourney's paywall blocking your creative flow? Today, we're diving into how you might explore Midjourney without constantly reaching for your wallet. First, keep an eye out for official free trials or promotional periods Midjourney occasionally offers. Sign up immediately when you see them. Next, remember Midjourney operates through Discord. Create multiple Discord accounts, adhering to Midjourney's terms of service to potentially access limited free generations with each account. Another strategy is to master the art of crafting concise, impactful prompts. Detailed prompts use up your fast hours quickly, so try to be as brief as possible. Focus on upscaling only your absolute favorite creations. Every upscaled image counts against your available generations. Finally, leverage online communities and tutorials to learn efficient prompting techniques. The less trial and error, the more you can create within any constraints. Remember to always respect Midjourney's terms of service and use these tips ethically. Happy creating!